Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Yellow on Windows. First, you will need to download the game files from a trusted source, such as GameJolt or UpToDown. Once downloaded, ensure your Windows operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Next, extract the compressed zip file into a dedicated folder on your computer. Finally, locate the main executable file within that new folder to begin the installation process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. After extracting the files, launch the game by running the executable as an administrator. This often prevents permission-related issues. Once the game starts, take a moment to adjust the in-game settings, such as screen resolution and audio levels, to your preference. The game offers similar mechanics to the original Undertale, using arrow keys for movement and Z, Y, X, and C keys for actions and menus. Many players find using a gamepad enhances the experience, offering more precise control. Remember to save your game often to secure your progress. If you encounter any issues, a few troubleshooting steps can help. First, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version. Outdated drivers are a common cause of problems like visual glitches or crashes. Sometimes, antivirus software can mistakenly flag game files, so try temporarily disabling it if you face launch issues. For specific error codes or lag, online communities like Reddit are a great resource. If all else fails, a clean reinstall might resolve persistent problems. To truly enhance your Undertale Yellow experience, consider exploring the vibrant community. Many fans create additional content and modifications that can offer fresh perspectives and visual overhauls. Joining online forums and discussion groups provides a fantastic way to share tips, discover secrets, and connect with other players. Don't be afraid to experiment with various playstyles and explore different story routes, including neutral, pacifist, and genocide, to uncover all the game has to offer. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.